That was a good one. Yeah, let's check this one out. This is just some shit that came up in my recommended. I thought looked kind of funny.
And you gotta put on the shirt, bro.
He looks fucking naked.
Dakota. What are you
What's
doing?
on his desk? Vape. Mouse pad, watch. Is that a collar? That explains it if he's a furry. Clorox. Is that weed? I think. Fucking the only thing missing in this picture is a box of tissues. Fucking.
Come on, bro.
Shooting niggers in the game.
Oh shit.
What did he say?
Why is your camera so high up? Throw up your sack. Dakota. Stacking it. Dakota, where you from, gang?
From my daddy's balls down in Indiana.
Damn. Alright, go for
He
it.
about to catch
This
some
dude's
bullets
chill
in
as
his body.
fuck.
He's not gonna be too happy. This is the real game, man. Not no fake shit around here. Why he driving this way? You ain't getting away, bitch ass nigga.
You got like money glitches?
I've Kitty N's mod menu.
Of course.
Hiding in there?
This is the kind of dude playing with a mod menu. Whenever you're playing a game and some dude's teleporting around or using invincibility cheats, just remember, this is who it is. This fucking tub of fucking shit right there. Oh wait. Fuck, my speaker died. Hold on. There we go. Is he
Dumbass
shooting him?
nigga.
Got it.
Alright, where's the next nigga? Let's go kill
Oh,
this
that's his stream there. Okay. I thought that was someone else.
Here we go. Can we hit a 360? You think so?
Hit a 360.
People do that on GTA 5, think they're the slickest shit
Scotty
ever.
said, Jesus forgive me for farting on a 3-year-old.
What the fuck?
Alright, the nigga's close. He's this way. We got to cut him off, gang. We had to cut him off. Why he running, gang? You know we getting close, gang. He got someone else with him, too. They think they safe. Let's hop out. Big Bird. Oh shit, it's 2 of them niggas. Blow they
I think I know what the collar's for. That's for his Discord kitten. This is definitely the kind of dude that has a Discord kitten. I'm just calling it.
shit up right on camera.
What, dude? This guy's fucking garbage.
Oh,
Niggas is smart as hell, gang. God damn it. Beep boop boop boop. Car delivery. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Yo, there's a street dealer right here. Right here. Hop over the fence. I'm going to this nigga. Vroom vroom, motherfucker. I'll kill those 2 people in a second. I gotta sell some weed, gang. This syrup drinking nigga. I gotta sell him some meth. I gotta sell him some coke. Gotta sell him a fuck ton of weed.
Man, when did they add this shit to GTA 5?
I gotta sell him some acid.
Fucking. I used to play a fuck ton of GTA back in, back on like Xbox One. And they didn't have any of that shit.
And hey,
Is that real?
Is that real?
Why are you all the way back on that road? Why do I play video games? Am I gonna waste my life away doing this shit? Literally wasting my oxygen in my brain.
smoke.
Smoke all day. I'm gonna go eat a muffin.
Yeah, he's got
cherry
his
pie
fucking
here
weed right
soon.
there. Eat a muffin and
God,
some cherry
look at this
pie. On God.
bitch. Someone fight me.
I bet this guy browses r/atheism.
Citizen. Fuck you, you gunman! Ah! I committed suicide. I finished my objective for the day.
Got that recliner. Or does he have the one arm off it? What the fuck's he doing?
Lick on these, nigga. Lick on these. Lick on these. Lick on these. Lick on these. These right here.
He takes his fucking dick out. Jesus Christ.
Lick on these nuts.
What a fucking animal, dude. Look at him getting all mad.
Getting angry, bro. Very angry.
What the fuck was that, bro? No fucking way.
That's what I'm saying. Man, that kind of reminds me of this one dude I used to know. The guy was huge piece of shit. He'd just get mad and start screaming over anything. Like I knew him from ESO for a little bit, but he pissed me off pretty quick. The dude would fucking literally just scream over anything. If you fucking, if people were having a conversation in like a call, the dude would just start fucking screaming. Like he'd talk over you and then scream that you're having a conversation and talking over him, But anyways, the dude, we were in a group chat and the guy sent this picture of what he looked like. Fuck, I don't think I have it. And yeah,
Dakota gang, you gotta.
he looked very similar to this, except the dude was bald. I think he was a lot fatter. The dude was completely bald, sitting on the shitter, shirtless, and that's the picture of himself that he took. And fucking yeah. I mean, I just take that as as a lesson not to if someone's being a fucking loser in a game, don't take it too seriously, cuz that's probably what they look like in real life, So yeah.